I'm Mike Bob.
I'm Kevin Chapman.
I'm Jeff Leatherman.
This is our 1996 Robotics Workcell introduces Workcell. You have to hit double operator start. Move to the block feeder where the block is clamped. Robot moves down, picks it up, unclamps it. Departs, takes it to a reorientation station to grip it better. Robot carries it over to the drill. Now let's begin the drill apart.
It is just drilled the first start. The robot is now going to come and flip the block so it can drill the second hole. Robot is coming again to drill the third hole. To flip it so it can drill the third hole. Air trap. Hold on. Stop it. Robot is now flipping it over for the fourth hole to be drilled. Stop it. The robot is now taking the block over to the hole inspection to check and be sure the holes are there.
Forget to turn that off again.
Is now going to take the block back over to the reorientation station so it can be put into the assembly fixture. Robot is now taking it over to the assembly fixture where it will wait to have the pens and pencils put into it. Robot is now going to go and grab the pens to be put into the block. The robot is taking the pen over to the block where it will be set down into a hole. Robot is now going to get the second of the two pens. Robot will now take the pen over to the block and put it in the hole that is opposite from the first pen. Now the robot is going to the pencil feeder to get the pencil. Robot is moving the pencil over to the right so it can pick up the pencil far enough towards the eraser so it will not crash when I put it into the sharpener. Robot is now putting it in the sharpener. Robot is now taking pencil and putting it in a hole that's in the back of the pencil sharpener to be reorientated. Robot is now taking the pencil over to the block to be put in a hole. Robot is now going to get the second pencil. Robot is taking it over to the sharpener. Robot is taking the pencil to the orientation station now. Robot is now taking it over to the pencil holder to put it in the last hole. Robot is now taking the block to be put in the chute. Now there are now 2 pencils and 2 pens in our block, so our part is complete.
Drilling fixture, what the robot does is bring the block over to the drilling fixture here, sets it here. We have a limit switch to show verification that the block is here. This cylinder extends and clamps the block to the fixture, and then the drill extends with this cylinder here. The drill comes on, the cylinder pushes it right into the block, commences drilling. This cylinder will retract, and the robot will come rotate. It'll do this process 4 times so it can drill a hole in each corner. This is these limit switch right here. This verifies extension of the cylinder that pushes the drill. This limit switch right here verifies that the cylinder has been retracted. The block is then drilled. It has 4 holes in it. The robot takes it over to the hole verification fixture. This cylinder will extend. If any of these push buttons right here are pushed down, then the robot will have to take it, the cycle will stop and the robot will have to re-drill it. After drilling and hole verification, the robot will bring the block over to the holding fixture, set it down. This cylinder will extend, holding the block here. This limit switch right here verifies that the block is in place. The reason for this fixture is that every time when we go and bring the pen and pencils over here, they will be able to be placed into the block, same place every time. In the beginning of the cell, this is our block feeder. This feeds the blocks out. What this cylinder does right here, extends, pushing this block out. This limit switch right here verifies that the block has been pushed out. Then the robot can come and pick it up. This cylinder right here will retract, drop in another block. That way you have repeatability throughout the cycle.
This is our pencil feeder and our pen feeder. What we have here is a cylinder that's normally retracted, and when the air is on, it pushes forward. We have another cylinder back here that will pull back and it'll drop 1 pencil down. Then it is sensed by a prox down here that'll sense the metal part on the pencil, and it has a brake in the ramp right here, so the robot can come in here and pick up the pencil, and then the pencil will be taken over here to the sharpener fixture, where this cylinder will extend and clamp the pencil in place right there. Then this cylinder right here will push the whole pencil forward and to be sharpened in the sharpener. Moves back, and then this cylinder retracts and robot comes in here so it can pick up the pencil, and is brought back over here and put in the back of the pencil sharpener to be reorientated. Once the pencil has been sharpened,